well, I decided I would get my favorite Xerjoff. So here it is. Check out the presentation. Kind of looks a little bit like a faux snakeskin to me. I really think it looks awesome. If we open it up, again, presentation's awesome. But check out that plaque. I did not realize this was like a limited edition. I don't know if all Xerjoffs do that or if it's just mine. I have no idea. This is my first full bottle I've ever bought, but I thought that was cool. It's handwritten, gives me like information. And then if we pop off the little covering, it kind of, is it just me or does it look like the bottle's in a coffin? But anyhow, I mean, it's great presentation. This is by far the best I've ever seen. Love it so much. So what fragrance did I get? I got, one second, I'm gonna close this box so it's out of my way. I got Symphonium. This is my favorite Xerjoff. I absolutely love it. For those of you who don't know what it smells like, it's like a chocolate fragrance with a hint of sweetness. The sweetness comes from an orange. Now, don't think it smells like an orange. It's just the sweetness of an orange. It's hard to explain until you smell something like that, but I don't smell orange. I just smell the sweetness that you get from an orange. And it mixes perfectly with the chocolate. People are like, yeah, bro, you keep saying it over and over. I know, I don't know how else to describe it. It's just, it's a beautiful fragrance. Now, longevity, I get about 8 to 10 hours with it. It lasts a long time, projects heavily. It does not go away. Love this fragrance. This is not a light fragrance. This is a pullback on the sprays, probably 3 to 5. 5 would be the max, but you could probably get away with 3 with this fragrance. I love this fragrance so much. The other day when I was doing a live, I was able to unbox it and I did a spray just to show how the atomizer works. My goodness, the whole room smelled like Symphonium for a long time. And that was just sprayed in the air. That was not even putting it on me or putting it on anything. So this is a powerful fragrance. I am so excited to finally have my first Xerjoff. Thank you so much for the follows. Thank you for the gifts. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for being there for me the whole time. Really appreciate it. Hope you guys have a great day.